This is how to install the Bose TV Speaker soundbar mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 1 spirit level, 2 soundbar screws, 2 roll plugs, 2 wall screws, and 1 wall mount. Here are the tools needed for this job. Now let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the tape measure to find the center of your TV. Then, measure the spot below the TV where you want to place the speaker. Next, use the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then, mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. Here's how to drill on a drywall. Use 8mm drywall drill bits with 35mm drill depth marked by tape. Then, drill the holes, stopping at the marked depth. After drilling, insert the roll plugs to support the wall screws. Now let's move on to drilling on wood stud plyboard. Use a 4mm wood drill bit with a drill depth of 45mm marked by tape. Start drilling the holes, stopping at the marked depth. No roll plugs are needed for this, as the wood studs will serve as support for the screws. Lastly, this is how to drill on a concrete wall. For this one, we'll use an 8mm masonry drill bit with 35mm drill depth. Drill the wall to the marked depth. Unlike with the drywall, we'll need to insert the roll plugs to support the wall screws. Now let's proceed with installing the wall mount and the soundbar. Start by securing the wall mount in place with the provided wall screws. Next, remove the grommets under the speaker. Then, place the soundbar on top of the wall mount and connect the power cable. Next, adjust the distance between the speaker and the wall. Lastly, lock the soundbar in place with the provided screws. And you're done.